So, you've heard about the great lock-in of 2025, and babe, I'm obsessed. The idea is simple. The last 120 days of this year, you lock in. No distractions, no excuses, just pure focus. But what are the steps to do it? I love this trend because if you're a business owner, locking in for the final 3 months of the year could literally change the entire trajectory of your 2025. I've started my great lock in. I'm focused on building and filming my Shopify Scale and Send Out in 6 weeks course and creating the marketing strategy to support it. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to design your own great lock in plan, keep your focus, and make the next 120 days the most productive months of your business journey so far. So, grab your pen and paper, babe. Business school has commenced. Step 1. This is crucial if you want to actually succeed in your lock in. Choose only 1 or 2 clear goals to focus on. This is where most people mess up. They try to do everything at once. Launch a product, start a YouTube, redo their website, hit the gym, meditate, drink green juice, and then wonder why they burn out by week 3. Your lock-in needs focus. Pick 1 or 2 goals max. For me, it's launching my Shopify Scale and Sell Out challenge, being consistent on my social media platform. That's it. Clarity beats chaos. Step 2, map out your 120-day strategy. Don't just say, I want more sales, for example. Break it down. What are the small milestones you need to achieve in order to reach the end result? What needs to be done month by month, week by week? Where do you need to invest your time and money? If your goal is launching a new product, then maybe September is about product finalization. October is pre-launch content. November, you do a bit of hype and teasers. And then December is your launch. When you map it out, you'll see the path clearly instead of waking up every day wondering what you're meant to do. Step 3, your to-do list and non-negotiables. This step right here is where consistency is built. Every lock-in needs non-negotiables. 1 to 3 things that you commit to doing regularly no matter what. For me, that's going to be posting 1 YouTube video a week, filming and editing chapters for my course every week, and planning my marketing strategy weekly. So I know even if my week goes completely sideways, if I hit these non-negotiables, I know I've moved forward. That's the energy you want to bring into your lock-in. Step 4, find your accountability partner. This is the secret weapon. You don't need to tell everyone your goals. In fact, you shouldn't. That can backfire and actually kill your momentum. Instead, choose one person, a business bestie, a mentor, your sibling, someone who gets it. Their role to call you out when you're slipping, hype you up when you're winning, and keep you moving when you don't feel like showing up. And sometimes it's even just them asking, how is it going? That will make you want to give them new updates every time you speak. Trust me, one solid accountability partner is worth more than 100 cheerleaders who don't actually get what you're doing. Step 5, protect your energy like a CEO. The great lock-in is about focus, but focus doesn't mean burnout. You have to protect your energy. That means saying no to distractions, saying no to some events, guys, managing your health so you don't crash halfway through, and creating boundaries around your time. This isn't the time to be flexible with your schedule to accommodate the people in your life. This is your 3 months to be completely selfish and to do what gets results and keeps you motivated. Don't squeeze anything unnecessary into your day because if you're drained, your creativity and execution will collapse. The lock-in is a sprint, but it's also 120 days long. Treat your energy like it's gold. So that's how you build your great lock-in plan, guys. Focus on 1 or 2 goals, map it out, create your non-negotiables, lock arms with an accountability partner, and protect your energy so you start 2026 with an unrecognizable success without burnout. I'm in my own lock-in right now, and I'll be sharing more of the behind the scenes as I build and launch my Scale and Send Out in 6 weeks course. So if you're ready to go all in for the next 120 days and change your business trajectory, hit the subscribe because, babe, this is just the beginning.